What's up, everybody? It's a beautiful sunny Saturday here in Maryland, and even though it's in the mid-30s, I'm so tired of winter. Need to get out on my bicycle. I'm going to take the old 80s GT. We're going to head down to Havre de Grace and just ride around town, see some sights. Alright, made it down here to Havre de Grace, getting ready to ride. It's a little breezier down here than it was at the house, but I think it'll be alright. Let's head out. Now that's the funniest looking boat I've ever seen, but I'm sure that might have come down from the dam whenever they opened up the floodgates, because a lot of stuff came down, and looks like somebody's got it tied up here to the bench so that it won't go anywhere. Alright, totally forgot to do an outro video while I was down at the park. So, back home, it was a great ride. A little chilly, but not too bad. I mean, with the sun out, it felt pretty good out there. So, yeah. First ride in. Come on, spring. Let's go. I'm ready to do some mountain biking. We'll see you guys on the next ride.